Oh, hello people. I was thinking if I should publish another video tutorial because you probably didn't know because each program is different. I'm creating t-shirt for character. There's one useful command which will allow me to make copy of the t-shirt. It's not the same what you were using in Blender because in Blender you have to use the command separate. In Cinema 4D we don't use disconnect. If you use disconnect, this polygon will be detached and it will no longer belong to original polygon. Wait a minute. What we should do, we have to use command to call it split. This option will copy polygon. Oh, it also copied symmetry modifier, but I have to disconnect from symmetry modifier because I want to edit this separate. Okay, where I have my selection. I also have to check if I completely separated. Okay, we have completely separate polygon. This will be used as a t-shirt. And I hope you like my video tutorial.